Hello students, now let us see the problem number that is 46 from the book. Okay, and this is the problem which is asked by so many students, and because of the lack of time I was not able to answer. So let us see the answer, student. This is very easy, student. Firstly, okay, how to do this answer, student? Firstly, they are saying the ratio of number of moles of Kmno4 and K2Cr2O7 required to oxidize 0.1 mole of Sn2 plus to Sn4 plus. Dear student, firstly write the balanced chemical equation is required. So that they are asking ratio of moles of what, student? Kmno4 divided by what? Ratio of what, student? Ratio of moles of what, student? K2Cr2O7. Okay, that is to oxidize 0.1 mole of the Sn2 plus to Sn4 plus. So how can we do the balancing equation? We have already done, student. So I am doing very short way, I am doing, student, because you already know how to balance the chemical reaction. So that is first one is there. What is that? Is KMnO4. So I am writing that is MnO4 minus. In the ionic form I am writing, student, K I have removed, so minus charge came. And here is Sn2 plus, student, and it is giving what is in acidic medium they are saying, student, acidic medium. So acidic medium MnO4 convert into what, student? Mn2 plus, and Sn2 plus to Sn4 plus is already given, student. Sn4 plus already given. So here see, student, how much Mn is converting, what is happening to here. So direct I am writing, student. If you check it out, student, if you are checking it out, so what you are finding here is +7 oxidation state is there, 7 to 4, 7 to 2. So it is what is happening, student? Reduction. So that is reduction means gain of electron. How many? Gain means 5 electron, student, 5 electron. And here is 2 to 4. So loss means how many electron, student? 2 electron. This is 5. Gain, here is the gain, student, gain. Okay, and here is loss. So we need to balance it out. So multiply by 2, so you will get 10 electron. Multiply by 5, so you will get that is 10 electron. So now you multiply this. So what will come, student? 2 MnO4 minus plus, this is 5 Sn2 plus, 5 Sn2 plus, giving rise, student, what? That is, it is giving rise, that is 2 Mn2 plus, 2 Mn2 plus 5 Sn, how much, student? Sn4 plus. Okay, other things, oxygen and hydrogen, you can easily balance in acidic medium, student. I am not going for that. So you see, student, this is the balance. So that is 5 mole, that is how many mole? This is the 5 mole, 5 mole Sn2 plus reacting to 2 mole. Okay, so that is 5 mole Sn2 plus reacts with how much, student? Reacts with how many mole of KMnO4? Reacts with 2 mole of KMnO4, 2 mole of what, student? KMnO4. So you can calculate for 1 mole, student, how many, if you can calculate for 1 mole. So if you are calculating, that is for 1 mole, student. So for 1 mole how much will come, student? If you want to check it out, student. So for 1 mole, 1 mole Sn2 plus. So how many KMnO4 required, student? 1 mole Sn2 plus, so that is 2 by 5. 2 by 5 mole KMnO4. 2 KMnO4. And they are asking in the question 0.1 mole. So therefore for 0.1 mole, how much will come, student? That is 2 by 5 into 0.1 equal to 0.2 by 5 mole KMnO4. 0.2 by 5 mole KMnO4. Now let us see for K2Cr2O7, student, second number. So when you are talking about K2Cr2O7, student, I am also writing in the ionic form. So that is 2K remove, student. So Cr2O7 2 minus plus it is coming Sn2 plus. So what it is changing, student? It is saying that is Cr3 plus what is Sn4 plus. Okay, now you check, student. Here is oxidation number is 6. So 6 to 3, how much is coming? Gain, student. If you want to write gain, how many electron? 3 electron. Okay, Sn, here you want to know loss, student. Loss how many electron? That is 2 electron. But here is 2 mole is there, so multiply by 2. So how many electron? Here is 6 electron. So here is already I am multiplying. So to get 6 electron, here we have to multiply by 3. So here is 6 electron. So it will be cancelled out. So now multiply. So here is Cr2O7 2 minus plus, what is that is how many? 3Sn2 plus, 3Sn2 plus, okay, 3Sn2 plus giving rise 2Cr3 plus how much? 3Sn4 plus, okay. Now other oxygen hydrogen you balance by yourself, student. So 3Sn, 3 mole Sn2 plus, 3 mole Sn2 plus react with how many mole? Reacts with 1 mole, reacts with 1 mole of what? K2Cr2O7, or you can write that is Cr2O7 2 minus. So 0.1 mole how to calculate? Or that is you calculate 1 mole Sn2 plus reacts with how many mole? You can reacts with how many mole? So that is 1 by 3 mole of what? K2Cr2O7, okay, K2Cr2O7, or that is you can write better Cr2O7, that is 2 minus. This much is over, student. Now divide it out. They are asking for how many mole, student? Here in the question 0.1. Therefore, how much? 0.1 mole, 0.1 mole Sn2 plus reacts with how many mole? That is 1 by 3 into 0.1 mole Kmno4, 1 mole, that is Cr2O7 2 minus, okay, Cr2O7. So here if you are writing, student, how much final value will come? 0.1 by 3, 0.1 by 3. Now you calculate the ratio, student. Ratio here I am calculating the ratio. So how to ratio? Here already I wrote the ratio of moles of Kmno4. So Kmno4 value how much coming, student? Here is 0.2 by 5. So it is 0.2 by 5 and divided by 0.1 by 3. 0.1 by 3. So you simplify out, student, how much will give? That is 0.2 into 3 by 0.1 into 5. So that is how much will come, student? You solve it out. So 0.6 by 0.5 equal to point is the after same decimal. So that is 6 by 5. So 6 ratio 5 is the correct answer. Option number 1 is the correct option, student. I hope this will be helpful, student. Thank you so much for watching, friends.